this one blowing 80. You think it's hot?
No,
It's not hot.
no,
You'll
it's
be
not.
feeling cold. So this temperature, you gotta higher than your body. Means you are 97, they should be got close to about 100.
100,
97, 100, 98, they call it heat. If not, that's only called a war. It's not called a heat, right? So that's your temperature looking for.
Okay.
Okay. So remember, this is a high efficacy. You guys come from their lab, you have 80%, 90%. What is 80%, 90%? So how many percent is in the heat? Ask yourself, how many percent in the heat? This is called 100%. So that means that even 90% is 110 degrees. So this one should be about 120 degrees. If they open the hose, that's called efficacy, right? If not, you lose heat loser somewhere. Make sense? So people will ask you, what is electrical furnace percent rate? It's 100%. Make
Okay.
sense?
Yes, sir.
Yep. That's all you guys looking for.
100%. Yep.
You guys pick out that? That's why you when you open it.
So it's an air handler, right?
You got a lot of stuff. So make sure you wire band right.
You want your assignment?
No problem. So you said 5 minutes?
One side.
5 minutes.
Okay?
1, 2, 3.
Here's the deal. You want to look at logo?
We're going to wait 5 to 10 minutes.
5-10 minutes.
You want to use the other one?
Put the back in there. Alright, you guys good?
At the same time?
Yeah, the other one.
What you guys doing?
Because if you said 5,
Oh, the
5, 10 minutes.
Two more units in here. Nobody want these 2 units? Are you guys ready? Yeah, we have a 3 unit. You guys gotta go.
Let's drop this in there.
Don't tell. I still plenty.
And then put the other one. The other one up top.
You guys want to do it?
And put it up there.
No, wait,
Put the thing on the meter on the unit. Just can.
But I gotta remember where you go. Gotta remember that location.
So 5 minutes, you put one in there and then put that up there.
5 minutes. Guys, as I said, none of us cheated on the number country.
So,
Why you guys are the shortest man trying to fight up there?
come on.
Come on, man. You guys, come on.
This is saying 75.
Oh, there you go.
75.
75?
For return.
This one's 73.
73.
So that's 2.
Two Delta T, right?
Yeah.
Damn, that's low. The perfect Delta T is between 15 and 20, right?
Yep. 75.